Hello language lovers, today we're breaking down a bold and expressive Arabic idiom روح بلط البحر. It literally means go bathe the sea with titles. It gives an image of doing something completely impossible. Figuratively, it's used when someone tells you to do something you refuse to pay. It means you can't force me, you have no control over me, or what you want won't happen. And here are 10 equivalent English expressions that are used in daily speech and suit this meaning. So the first expression is do whatever you want, I'm not doing it. And the second expression is you can't boss me around. The third expression is you have no say over me. The fourth expression is not happening. The fifth expression is I won't lift a finger for that. The sixth expression is forget it. The seventh expression is I'm not your puppet, you know. The eighth expression is it's not my problem. The ninth expression is dream on. And the 10th expression is you can't make me do that. So when you tell someone in Arabic روح بلط البحر, you're basically saying you can't force me and your request means nothing to me. So it's really bold, clear and very Arabic. Thank you for your watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.